Welcome emails are pivotal in the customer journey, setting the tone for future interactions. A strategic welcome series, rather than a single email, enhances engagement and builds lasting relationships. This approach leverages data-driven insights to tailor messages, ensuring relevance and fostering loyalty from the outset. Welcome email series are pivotal in the customer journey, serving as the first impression and setting the tone for future interactions. A strategic series outperforms single emails by fostering deeper connections, enhancing engagement, and laying the groundwork for lasting subscriber relationships. This approach ensures consistent communication and maximizes conversion potential. Welcome emails boast 4 times higher open rates and 5 times higher click-through rates than regular campaigns, as per Mailmodo. 74% of new subscribers expect immediate welcome emails. A single email falls short in building trust. A strategic series nurtures engagement, educates on brand value, and fosters communication for lasting conversions. Welcome emails significantly outperform regular campaigns, boasting higher open and click-through rates. This stark contrast underscores their importance in email marketing strategies, making them essential for engaging new subscribers effectively. A high-converting welcome series relies on key structural components and strategic frameworks. These include personalized messaging, timely delivery, and clear calls to action. By aligning these elements with subscriber expectations, marketers can enhance engagement and drive measurable business outcomes, ensuring that each email in the series contributes to building a strong subscriber relationship. DataAxle's 5 T's framework enhances welcome emails. Tease with curiosity-driven subject lines, avoiding clickbait. Target by personalizing content using subscriber data. Teach with valuable insights to build authority. Test through A/B testing for optimization. Track engagement metrics to refine strategies. This systematic approach ensures emails resonate and drive success. Adopt the 60-40 rule: 60% text, 40% images to enhance deliverability and avoid spam filters. Ensure 60 to 100 words of meaningful text for searchability and accessibility. Optimize images with compression, descriptive alt text, and mobile responsiveness for fast loading and engagement across devices. A phased approach to crafting your welcome email series ensures consistency and maintains subscriber interest. Strategically sequence content to guide recipients toward conversion objectives. This systematic method enhances engagement and fosters a strong subscriber relationship, setting the foundation for successful email marketing campaigns. Deliver the welcome email within 60 seconds of sign-up to capture peak engagement. Personalize with the subscriber's name and sign-up context. Include a clear, low-friction call to action like complete your profile. Use brand visuals or GIFs to reinforce features. This email establishes warmth and clarity, guiding subscribers to their next step. Break down complex topics into focused emails, each highlighting a key benefit. Use storytelling and real-world examples to forge emotional connections. Offer actionable tips and address common questions proactively. Build credibility with authentic testimonials, case studies, and trust badges. This educational approach establishes authority and shows commitment to subscriber success beyond sales. Address objections by answering frequently asked questions to remove conversion barriers. Use strategic incentives like exclusive content or discounts to boost impact. Ensure clear calls to action with action-oriented language to guide subscribers. Engagement rates may drop, but conversion rates peak in emails 3 to 4 as subscribers become informed and ready to act. Exploring real-world examples and tools is crucial for optimizing welcome series. Successful implementations offer frameworks for scaling, while specialized tools streamline development. These resources provide insights into best practices, ensuring efficient and effective welcome email strategies that enhance user engagement and conversion. Miro's welcome email exemplifies strategic personalization by addressing users by first name, enhancing open rates. It uses clean interface screenshots for visual onboarding, reducing user friction. A prominent Get Started button encourages immediate engagement. The concise messaging highlights user benefits, showcasing best practices in simplicity and user-centric design, prioritizing immediate value over complex details. Klaviyo offers e-commerce brands pre-built welcome flow templates with drag-and-drop customization and advanced segmentation. UserPilot personalizes onboarding email sequences using user behavior data for software as a service applications. MailCharts provides competitive intelligence by tracking competitor welcome sequences. Choose based on technical needs, budget, integration, and personalization complexity. A well-crafted welcome series builds trust, boosts engagement, and increases conversions. Use data-driven strategies and A/B testing to optimize your sequence. Start with a simple 3-email series, personalize using subscriber data, and scale to transform new subscribers into loyal customers. Map your content, identify key value propositions, and implement tracking to measure success.